Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our commercial immersion blender. This comes in two parts. We have our wand right here. This is what you will take off at the end of using the commercial immersion blender and wash it fully in the sink. If you take a look at the wand, you'll see that it has three metal prongs on one end. These line up with the motor side, and once you get it properly lined up, you'll just give it a twist to lock it in place. You do want to make sure it's locked in place so that when you go to turn it on, it doesn't go flying off. So you just give it a little tug to make sure that it's working. You also can notice that this is where you can submerge the wand up to, line right here. Don't go above that or you might get splatter into the motor, which might break the machine. When you look at the handle, you'll notice that there are a few parts that are really important. The first is our trigger, which is located right here. Up on the very top, we have the button that's the safety button to turn it on, and then you have the power button, which allows you to change how fast it blends. Finally, we also have a lock switch right here, so once you have it to your right setting, rather than trying to hold everything in place, you can just press this lock button and it will continue to blend. And let me demonstrate. Okay? So here I'm making sure that I'm not going to blend anybody or anything. I'm pressing the trigger button, which is the one located inside the handle. Then I'm going to press the button on the top. And I've got it set to the lowest setting right now. Then if I want to lock it in place, I press the trigger button, turn it on, and then I'm releasing the top trigger button, and I can now press the lock button, which locks the motor going. So now it's going to continue to run. I can also now increase the speed. Should be submerged at this point. If you need to turn it off, you go back to the trigger button, press it again, it's off. And that's how you use the immersion blender.